How to add video trailer on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to YouTube. Now go to the YouTube studio right here, as you can see, and all what you have to do now right here is click on customization. After you click on it, here click on layout, and here you will find channel trailer. Click add and choose a video from your YouTube channel. I'm gonna choose this one and click publish. As you can see, now if we go to the YouTube channel, we will find the trailer is here, as you can see. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.